What's up? It's your girl Tanya Rochelle here with another update on our Medical Commodities Business Startup Partnership. So, this week we're going to kind of, you know what? I'm not going to even do no talking. I'll just introduce. Have a lady, she hasn't been in the group. I don't think it had been like a week, maybe 10 days. She decided to go ahead and just come on in, go all the way in, and just follow the system and listen to what she had to say.
Hey guys, my name is Brandy, and I'm here to talk about the medical commodity business and diabetic test strips. I am in Tanya Rochelle's private group, and I joined right before April 1st, and I've been researching and stuff like that. So about 4 days ago, about 4 days ago now, I decided I'm ready to put myself out there. And put myself out there. Now, I have only done Facebook ads. I have not done bandit signs. I've only done, not even Facebook ads. I've been posting in buy, sell, trade groups. And I did that consistently for 2 days, like 2 days, maybe 3. And I instantly got hits. When I tell y'all that my phone was ringing while I was trying to post in another group after coming out posting in another group. That's how fast my phone began to ring. And so from that, I have been able to secure a couple of orders. I'm looking at them right now. I'm in my office. I'm getting them processed, creating my invoice and stuff like that. But my thing was consistency, literally. And I know it doesn't happen for everyone with 2 days or something like that. It could be my lucky start, but I post consistently, and my money is working for me. Money's doubling. The money I spent on these products is doubling. And so trust the process. Definitely trust the process.
Okay, so here, April 12th is when I have a student here who says, I went to the post office and, she did some of the things I told her to do, like I teach in a group that helps, in terms of your budget. You don't have to have a whole lot of money to get into this business and to operate effectively. So she did exactly like I told her to do. Let's see here, and another example. Okay, first 2 orders are complete. These clients came from posting consistently and also just trusting the process. So yeah, I mean, absolutely just phenomenal when it comes to that. Another student, this is their first buy, really had just got started, really getting into it and doing like I told them to do, and bam, it's happening, and it's not taking a long time, y'all. That's the thing. When you have a mentor and they are showing you and teaching you what works, they're just cutting down your learning curve, just cutting it down. So things that will, ordinarily take a long time, they don't take long because you're getting mentored by someone who's actually doing the business and it has worked for them and it works for me. So I can just, as long as you do like I tell you to do, you'll get the same results that I'm getting, and that's what's happening. So I'm super, super proud of the group. It's a positive environment. We work together, we, cheer each other on, just a lot of great things. So it's like, I'm very I'm very satisfied, with our results, just with our networking in general. So that was all I wanted to. As I promised, I said I was going to come back and only show you results. Only showing you results. At this time, I had been just kicking it around. I don't even know if I'm going to just cap it off. I don't know yet. I'm still thinking about it. But right now, in order to get into the mentorship program, the business startup partnership is currently $100. Come in. All I ask is that you come on in, take action, go through the training videos, and just take action. Questions that you have, you ask in a group between myself and the community. We come together and we get those answers to you so you can get moving. It's simple, it's not hard, it's just trust the process. We break it down in 4 simple steps on how you can come in. And I should have showed y'all the invoice. Let me see if I can, let me catch that right quick so you can see this is real. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you with PayPal. This is the payment that was made for $427.80. In the beginning, PayPal holds your money until the shipment is received, if that's something that you don't know. So once it's shipped in 24 hours, the money is released. That's one of the reasons why I have my students to start out with PayPal. You want to have a payment processing service. I've been satisfied with PayPal for years, never had any problems. So of course, that's what I did naturally, show them what to do. And as they get that activity on their card, then, that opens up a whole nother avenue for them. So yeah, guys, that's it. This is not a long video. I just wanted to show you the results. And that is it. Tanya Rochelle. Bye-bye. Okay, so this is a side note. Okay, so I have been getting hit up by a lot of people who are saying, hey, I saw your video about the getting into the medical commodities, but I saw where it said $50. That is true. At the time when I started and opened this up, I opened it up, and the people who took action, they got in for $50. 30 days, we did that. I posted a video prior to cutting it off on April 1st. And then April 1st, I came back and said, hey, this is the cutoff date. So from April 1st on, the price is $100. This may change again. So if you want to get into our mentorship program, into our business startup program, it's $100 as of right now. Share this video with someone who is serious about taking action and is looking for a way to make extra income, and they don't mind doing the little bit of work that it takes and making maybe an extra $400 or $500 a week, in maybe an hour. It doesn't take long. So I wanted to make sure I got that side note out. Yes, previous videos were $50. And, if you take a moment and just you look at, I'm starting to see now people saying, oh, I did look at your other videos and I do see where it was an update. My apologies. Okay. Yeah. So just, I'm sorry about the mix up or whatever, but it's $100. And it's not like, oh, like I no, I don't need the money. It's just about, guys, you got to take action. And the people who took action, they took action. When they saw the opportunity, they hit it. And I can tell it's a difference. But now, people who didn't take action, but who see it now, felt like they missed out on their first wave, which you did. But now they're like, hey, I'm not going to let this pass up. $100 is not breaking the bank. Bam. And they come in and they taking action. So I do that because the higher it get, you're going to start feeling some type of way. And the more success that you see coming from people who are getting in here in 10 days, really making things happen. When they actually start and they get finished going through the training videos and start taking action, they getting hits. they're doing the business for real. So it's a business startup partnership with the mentorship. You have access to me, you have access to the community. I know it's a wonderful thing, and and it's not for everybody. Some people not gonna get in. They're not gonna get in. We have a wonderful environment. I'm gonna make sure it stays that way, you know, and I just love it. So I just wanted to make sure I was clear on that. And you guys take care.